Hi there. Traditional business models are no longer enough. They must evolve into living, connected networks where data flow freely through the cloud and are accessible to every part of the value chains, anytime, anywhere. We live now in an information society where the amount of quality of knowledge available has reached astonishing new levels. The internet gives us instant, boundless access to a universe of knowledge once unimaginable. The power of information is no longer locked inside large bureaucratic institutions. It's in your hands, it's in my hands, it's in our hands. And that changes everything. Customers are better informed. Decisions are smarter. The balance of power has shifted from institutions to individuals. But here's the essential point. Digital transformation isn't just about technology, it's about mindset. Yes, technology increases efficiency and connects us with customers across oceans. But without the right mindset, without openness, curiosity, and adaptability, digital transformation will only amplify existing flaws. So what is the right mindset? It's what Soltanifar and his co-authors call the digital entrepreneurial mindset. The drive and the ability to discover, evaluate, and seize opportunities by adopting technologies faster and more boldly than traditional entrepreneurs. That's the mindset that turns transformation into progress, and it's the one that can turn your ideas into impact. We also know that companies can approach innovation in many ways. Research by Professor Constantino shows that when firms seek improvement, they often focus on marginal gains. Think about it. A fridge manufacturer decided to connect a fridge to the internet or creates an app to manage what's inside. Yes, it's digitalization, but it's still a marginal improvement. And so the benefit it brings will also be marginal. Digital business models, however, offer a disruptive perspective. They go far beyond adding connectivity or digital channels. They are the new ways of creating value, generating values for new users, new partners, new products, or new markets. That's not just innovation, that's reinvention. Let's look at an example. To do that, we turn to the wisdom of Alexander Osterwalder. We always go back to these canvases because of their universal value, and in business and in academia alike. But Osterwalder doesn't just talk about the tool. He talks about the integrated model, how every part of a business fits together, how strategy, value, and innovation connect. So let's explore that model. A business model is the architecture through which an organization creates value for its customers. It also delivers that value and captures value for the company. But there's a fourth element we can add, how an organization defends that value. Now, how do companies make their business model so hard or even impossible to copy? That's where true disruption begins. Let's see how Professor Constantino describes Amazon's case, how Amazon interacts with every part of its ecosystem. To its users, it offers personalized recommendations and fast delivery. To sellers, it provides access to millions of customers and a powerful logistic network. And to developers, it opens the door to more than 300 million active users, enabling them to build apps and create Alexa skills and design tools that make Amazon's services even more useful. Here's the key. Amazon sells its devices, like Kindle and Echo, at almost cost price. It doesn't profit when you buy the device. It profits when you use it to shop with or talk to Alexa. This is the essence of network effects. More users attract more developers attract more users. and the virtuous cycle keeps growing. Behind the scenes, AWS, Amazon's cloud service, turns the company's own IT infrastructure into a source of revenue. It's a smart move that transforms a cost into an advantage and strengthens the entire ecosystem, an unfair advantage. Let's break down how Amazon's business model works. Amazon creates value by helping users find what they need quickly and easily. Through devices like Kindle and Echo, it makes daily life more convenient and connected. It delivers value through its online stores, its network of over 100 fulfillment centers, and through third-party apps and websites that feature Amazon products. It captures value through sales and by learning from user behavior, data that helps it to improve the experience and increase loyalty. And it defends value through 4 strong pillars: its network of affiliate and app developers, its creator of Kindle and Alexa content, its AWS business that turns IT costs into profits, and its loyal base of Prime and Kindle users who buy more and buy more often. Together, these elements form a powerful digital ecosystem, one that doesn't just sell products, but builds relationships, data, and growth that sustain each other. So, as you design your business idea, don't think only of a business idea. Think of an ecosystem around it and generating demand for the other actors of the ecosystem. Because in the digital age, it's not the best idea that survives. It's the network of value that protects it. See you soon.